channel. Okay, so today I am going to tell you 5 things you should always remember while leaving your home. Yes, there are many other things you should always remember, but these 5 things are really very important and these are the basic things. So don't tell me in the comment section that ye bhi le ja sakti, ye bhi le sakti. Yes, I know we can take a lot of things. It depends where we are going and when we are going, but these are the basic 5 things which you need to take care of while leaving home every single day. Wherever you go, anytime you go, you have to take care of these things. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so first thing everyone should remember is to apply perfume. And yes, this is something which I always forget. If you guys follow me since a long time on this channel, you guys know. But yes, I make sure that मैं याद रखती हूँ specially. So yes, always remember to apply perfume while you leave your... Okay guys, so having perfume is really very important. You can't leave your home without perfume. And perfume is something like going without perfume is... You never know आप कितना stink कर रहे हो. So leaving your home without perfume is really very bad. So make sure when you are leaving from home, you are applying perfume. It's really important because हमको ही नहीं पता होता है हम लोग stink कर रहे हैं, and so it's always precaution is better. So never ever forget to apply perfume. It's really important. Okay, now let's go to the next thing. Next thing is home keys. Yes, people who are staying alone, they know the value of home keys. You can't leave your home without having your home keys. But for the people जिसके घर पे हमेशा कोई ना कोई रहता है and don't have a habit of taking home keys, but always remember home keys are very important because you never know आप किधर बाहर जा रहे हो and किधर emergency हो जाए या कुछ भी हो सकता है. You need to have your home keys with yourself. So it's really important and make a habit. Carry your home keys with you. It's really important. You can't ever leave your home without your home keys. Next important thing is money. I can't tell you the importance of money. Obviously everyone knows about it, but taking money with yourself is very important. हम लोग नीचे भी जाते हैं, नीचे मतलब 2 सेकंड के लिए भी बाहर जाते हैं ना. Keep a habit of taking money along with you because you never know कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकता है. And ऐसा नहीं है, it's like if you have money you can at least come home back. So money is very important. So always remember whenever you are just stepping out of your home, you should have your money with yourself. The best trick over here is keep your money in your phone cover. Yes, so the next important thing you should always remember while leaving your home is phone. Phone is very important. वो भी charge किया हुआ. Never forget to charge your phone. Yes. So always remember like emergency किसी और को ज़रूरत पड़ जाए तो if we have phone we can use that. अगर हमारे घर पे emergency हो गई, if we have phone we can use that. घर से कुछ मंगाना है किसी को, we have phone, we can use that. So phone is very 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 important. So never ever leave your home without phone. सुबह walk करने भी जा रहे हो, morning walk, jogging के लिए, carry your phone with you because it's very important. You never know. हम लोग को खुद को कुछ हो गया and we don't have phone, तो लोग identify कैसे करेंगे हमको? So trust me, keeping your phone with your own self while leaving home is very very important. Never ever leave your home without phone. This is something which you should keep on your priority. Okay, next important thing right now nowadays is mask. Yes, you can't ever leave your home without mask. Mask is very important. Mask is like it is for your own protection. So किसी और के लिए नहीं, खुद के लिए है. So keep mask with you at least till ये COVID का situation है तब तक. So never leave your home without mask. Protect yourself and protect others as well. So mask is also important. So these 5 things are very important. If you are stepping out of your home, make sure you have these 5 things. Yes, so quickly I'll just say it again. So it goes this way: perfume, home keys, money, phone and mask. Yes, these are very important stuffs. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this was useful. Yes, obviously it was useful, so do hit like to this video because it motivates me, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, that was all for today. See you in next video. Bye bye.